I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. The up and down temperatures continue for the next few days after highs today up around 70. A backdoor cold front from the northeast drops our highs tomorrow to around 50 in Nebraska and the 50s over northern Kansas. South winds ahead of low pressure help our highs Thursday to rebound mostly into the mid-50s to the low 60s and the mid-60s to around 70 over northwest Kansas. A cold front could trigger some light rain for Thursday night as low pressure tracks across the plains. We do have some small chances of rain and snow for Friday night into Saturday. Rain is likely, possibly mixed with some snow Saturday night through Sunday night. Snow more likely for Sunday night as colder air mixes in before those chances taper off on Monday. Currently, the better chances of accumulating snow over South Dakota and Minnesota. Daytime highs expected to bottom out in the 30s on Monday. The colder temperatures linger through the long-term forecast. Colder than normal temperatures are likely for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through the 1st of April, especially the early to middle of next week. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation Sunday through April 1st likely to be above normal. Those higher chances the early to middle part of next week. Key weather factors the markets are watching include cold air building towards the U.S., a major storm in the U.S. over the weekend into next week, and varying amounts of rain in South America. The late half of this week, a secondary surge of cold air mostly affects the Midwest and Northeast, with temperatures briefly falling to near zero in the upper Great Lakes. Thursday morning, hard freezes should occur as far south as the Ohio Valley. A late season storm produces snow starting on Thursday from the northern plains into the upper Midwest. Significant snow accumulations may occur from northern Montana into Wisconsin and Michigan. Additional cold air pushes southward in the wake of the snow, with the brunt of the cold focused across the northern plains and the upper Midwest. Across wheat areas of the southwest plains, this storm this weekend and early next week, bringing a chance for meaningful precipitation. A burst of Arctic air next week could be damaging for some of the wheat across the southern plains. In Brazil, additional rain moves north from central areas for Thursday and Friday, providing good rain for second crop corn that had very little over the last week. Southern Brazil turns drier, a slight concern for immature crops. Towards Argentina, areas of rain continue through early Thursday. Some of the rain in Argentina could be widespread and heavy before it dries out this weekend. For the Black Sea region, rain over Ukraine moves into southwestern Russia this weekend. Next week, there's a chance for more widespread and heavier rain, keeping the soil moisture and wheat conditions in good shape as wheat greens up early. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.